This is about delayed gratification. Taken to the extreme, how rational is it for a person of your age and wealth to practice delayed gratification? If it's not rational at your age, how is it rational to delay gratification for the average adult? So what's the rational point in life to live with no delayed gratification too?
I'm still doing now that I'm old, I buy these apartment houses. It gives me something to do. And we're different from the way we run them and the way everybody else runs them. Everybody else is trying to show high income so they can have high distributions. We're trying to find ways to intelligently spend money, to make them better. And of course, our apartments do better than other people do because the man who runs them does it so well for me. There are two young men that do it with me. But it's all deferred gratification. We're looking for opportunities to defer. Other people are looking for ways to enjoy. It's a different way of going at life. By the way, you get more enjoyment out of my life doing it my way than theirs. What?
Did you start out having to work at delayed gratification, or is that just how you were born?
No, I learned this trick early. And, they'd done that experiment with the two marshmallows with little kids.
Yeah.
How long can you sit? Two marshmallows if you wait.
Yeah.
Watch them, how they work out in life by now. And the delayed the little kids who are good at deferring the marshmallows are also the people that succeed in life. It's kind of sad that so much is inborn, so to speak. But you can learn it to some extent, too. So
I'm going to go home and test that out on my kids, see who does well.
I was very lucky. I just naturally took to deferred gratification very early in life. And, of course, it's helped me ever since.